Bow windows are known for their graceful curves and panoramic views, but what truly makes them special is their ability to be customized. For Washington homeowners looking to enhance both curb appeal and interior comfort, custom bow window designs offer a unique opportunity to blend architectural beauty with practical performance. Whether your home features classic colonial styling, brick facades, or a more modern design, a customized bow window can be tailored to complement your space perfectly. Choosing the right number of panels. One of the defining features of a bow window is its curved structure, typically created using 4 to 6 individual window panels. The number of panels you choose affects both the appearance and the amount of light entering your home. 4-panel designs create a subtle curve with a balanced look. 5 or 6 panel designs offer a more dramatic, rounded projection that maximizes natural light. Washington homeowners who want a bold architectural feature often opt for larger, multi-panel configurations, while smaller homes may benefit from a more modest curve. Frame material options. The frame material you select plays a major role in both aesthetics and performance. Vinyl frames are popular for their low maintenance and energy efficiency. They resist moisture, won't peel or rot, and provide excellent insulation during Washington's seasonal temperature changes. Fiberglass frames offer superior strength and dimensional stability. They expand and contract less with temperature fluctuations, making them a durable long-term investment. Both options come in a variety of colors and finishes to match your home's exterior and interior decor. Grid patterns and glass designs. Custom bow windows allow you to personalize the look of your glass. Grid patterns can dramatically change the overall style. Popular grid options include colonial grids for traditional homes, fairy grids for subtle decorative detail, gridless designs for a clean, modern look. Homeowners can also choose decorative or textured glass for added character, particularly in street-facing rooms where privacy is important. Energy-efficient glass packages. Washington experiences both warm summers and cool winters, so energy performance is essential. Custom bow windows can include double or triple pane glass, argon or krypton gas fills, low emissivity coatings. These features help regulate indoor temperatures by reducing heat transfer. In winter, they retain warmth. In summer, they limit solar heat gain. Because bow windows include multiple panes of glass, choosing high-performance glazing ensures comfort year-round. Interior finishing and seating options. One of the biggest benefits of bow windows is the additional interior space they create. Many Washington homeowners choose to enhance this area with custom interior finishes. Options include built-in seating or window benches, decorative trim and casing, extended window sills for plants or decor, matching wood or painted finishes. A well-designed interior treatment turns your bow window into a cozy reading nook, display area, or inviting seating space. Exterior trim and roofing details. To achieve a seamless look, exterior trim should complement your home's architecture. Customizable features may include decorative exterior casing, matting roof overhangs or copper detailing, coordinated siding or brick accents. These details help ensure your bow window looks like an original part of the home rather than an added feature. Professional installation for a perfect fit. Because bow windows project outward, they require proper structural support and expert installation. Working with experienced professionals ensures accurate measurements, secure framing, and airtight sealing. Proper installation maximizes both aesthetic appeal and long-term durability. A personalized upgrade for Washington Homes. Custom bow windows provide Washington homeowners with a rare combination of elegance, light, and flexibility. With options ranging from panel count and frame materials to grid designs and interior finishes, you can tailor every detail to match your home's personality. The result is a beautiful architectural feature that enhances comfort, adds value, and creates a welcoming focal point inside and out.